Today we're back on site with a fresh construction update. Across the project, visible progress continues with new structural elements, facade preparations, and ongoing interior works. Step by step, the stadium is taking shape, and several key developments can now be seen from multiple areas. In this update, we'll focus only on what has changed and what's been added since the last visit. Let's move straight into today's progress. At the corner section, new support brackets for the louvres have been installed on the steel brackets. These supports were not present the previous day, confirming recent installation. 3 supports are now visible on the right side and 1 on the left. A crane is actively lifting new elements, indicating continued expansion of the Louvre framework in this zone. In the upper area of the same corner, welding operations are underway. Crews are also drilling and breaking sections of the concrete slab, likely for structural connections or adjustments. Along the lateral facade, additional Louvre panels have been installed, including 3 new panels at the lower section that were not present the day before. Only a small segment remains to complete this sector. Structural gaps between sections where vertical columns will be placed are still visible. Overall, this side continues to advance steadily. Near the corner, several large prefabricated steel elements for the compression ring remain staged on site. These components are unchanged in position, but remain a key indicator of upcoming major structural lifting operations. At the parking ramp, formwork panels remain in place along the retaining wall. In some sections, panels have begun to be removed, indicating that concrete pouring has already been completed. Workers are active in this zone, and further formwork removal is expected to continue along the wall. The north goal area shows significant delivery activity, with multiple trailers loaded with prefabricated seating units now on site. Several new facade support brackets have been installed along the inner beam, with 3 supports visible on both the left and right sides. This confirms rapid progress in preparing the structure for future Louvre installation. Excavation work is also ongoing nearby, with earth being removed to finalize ground-level works. In the central Tribune zone, work continues on the access ramp, where protective barriers have been reinstalled. Escalators remain in place, with handrail components still unmounted and visible on the steps. Additional prefabricated stair and seating elements are stockpiled nearby. Structural brackets on the 2nd and 3rd cantilever levels still require final painting. Interior finishing has advanced with insulation layers already installed, followed by new drywall panels now being mounted over the insulation. In the area near the retail diamond, newly treated and painted surfaces are visible across the facade and surrounding structures. Materials previously stored in this area have been relocated, clearing space for further finishing work. Structural columns with formwork remain in place, suggesting recently completed concrete pours awaiting panel removal. That's today's construction update. If you're enjoying these progress reports, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss the next update. Your support really helps the channel grow. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.